How to use personal posture trainer BACKBRO. Take the BACKBRO out of the package and put it around your neck. BACKBRO is controlled by gestures. When you take it in your hands, the device goes into standby mode. See how the device fits around your neck? If it's too tight, pull back the strap of the device, but if it's too loose, fold it. Take the posture you want to achieve and set this position with 2 consecutive taps on the surface of the device. Experienced users are advised to stand with the back flat against the wall and to set BACKBRO in this position. With gentle vibrations, BACKBRO will inform you if you are no longer in the set position. The device will detect the curvature of the back, the protrusion of the head, and the inclination of the body. During breaks, place the BACKBRO on a horizontal surface with the opening of its charging sockets facing upwards, or place it in its original box if you plan to transport the device. When the BACKBRO has a low battery level, it will vibrate the SOS signal in the Morse code and turn off. In this case, it's necessary to charge the device. To fully charge an empty battery, leave it in charging for 2 hours. Once BACKBRO is charged, you can continue to use it again for up to 3 weeks. More information on the website www.backbro.eu. BACKBRO, got your back.